So, St James's Priory, oldest building in where?
Dead. Oldest building in Bristol.
Lovely. Let's go down here from the bell tower, or from beyond the bell tower. Trying not to fall. I hope you're counting the steps. This first door, what's through there?
Bells.
Are they the originals?
Well, I imagine that they're Victorian.
Can we see?
No.
Through the keyhole?
My gross man.
No, we can't. So we'll carry on. Is this a bit of privileged access?
Absolutely.
Lovely. What's next?
Next is the clock.
Okay. Can we have a look?
Yep.
Stair count?
56.
Okay. Can we see any of Bristol? Well, not a lot.
That's looking out onto St James's Park and then onto part of Broadmead.
Okay. We'll continue down. Now I think I can hear the clock, can I?
You can.
Very dark. Let's go into the abyss. Illuminate us. Oh. Oh yes.
Is there a date on the face?
Just having a look. Not that I can see. Various weights and things. Oh, you're right. Massive trapdoor. And you know what? It's ajar. You see anything?
No. Nothing that gives it away. No.
How old would the clock be, do you know?
That I couldn't tell you. Maybe there's a date on the face or something, but no. Okay.
Shall I lead?
Yes.
Any other rooms to explore?
Just the bell pulleys.
Oh yeah. Special celebrations only?
I think there's a regular group that comes to practice of campanologists.
Oh. What's tintinnabulation? Hasn't it got something to do with bell ringing?
Tintinnabuli is the sound of bells, yes.
Ah. What did you say those who ring bells are?
Campanologist.
Okay, I should know that, I'm sure.
Yes. Hence, you have the word campanile, which is bell tower.
And that's for people of different heights, these steps, are they?
That's correct.
So those that need a bit more encouragement, take that big one on the right.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the pulleys. Ah. I say. Oh, and that was that trapdoor we nearly fell down.
Absolutely. So you can see the
What are these?
things go back 1934, 1923, 1913.
Very good.
St James's Society.
Marvellous.
The Green Chamber, that's what it's called.
How appropriate.
Imagine the medieval monks
Getting a bit tired.
coming up and down, especially after drinking all their perry.
Well, these are quite narrow steps,
They
though.
are. They only have small feet.
And that is that. 5 minutes. A descent from the bell tower of St James's Priory.